This follow-along exercise is focused on you making music with a single chord, the G chord, okay? And more importantly, it's going to get you super comfortable with the G chord and get your fingers to develop strength within this chord's shape. One of the things that happened to me when I was playing, when I was first starting and learning chords, is that you learn one chord and feel really cool about it and feel great, but it kind of flatlines and it feels like, okay, well, now that I have the chord, what do I do with it? Well, this exercise changes that because it's going to allow you to play music with this chord shape. So this is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the video or visit 30daystoplay.com. So what I want you to do is make the G shape, okay? That beautiful G shape, 3rd fret of the high E, 3rd fret of the B, 2nd fret of the A, 3rd fret of the low E. Make sure it's nice and clean and clear. And what we're gonna do with this exercise is we're gonna do 2 strums on this shape, starting from the low E, going through the high E. Then you're gonna drop your index finger 1 string and your middle finger 1 string. So your index finger is gonna move to the 2nd fret of the D, your middle finger is gonna move to the 3rd fret of the A, and you're gonna do 2 strums on this shape. Okay, your pinky and your ring finger are gonna stay in the same place for this whole exercise. Then you're gonna move your index finger down 1 more string to the 2nd fret of the G, middle finger down to the 3rd fret of the D. And you're gonna do 2 strums here. Okay, so you're gonna do 2 strums on each of these shapes. And why it's building strength for the G chord is because your pinky and your ring finger are operating as the anchor point, and you're getting used to kind of moving your index and middle finger, one of the essential things that every chord kind of has, okay? You wanna have the strength, the bass, and then you wanna have these fingers that, well, you keep them kind of nimble, but in a way, moving them is actually developing strength as well. So 2 strums on each shape, so we'll go 2 strums here, 2 strums on the next shape, 2 strums on the next shape, and then we'll go down, or rather we'll reverse it. So 2 more strums on that high shape, 2 on the other shape, and then 2 on that final G. This is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the description or visit 30daystoplay.com.